Well, here we are. We're like up to the axles, trying to find our way.
Like a TJ unit, huh?
Yeah, really. We just need to get our camis on and get our weapons. Okay, this is like swamp. Serious. Not sure where this goes. Goal is to keep the camera dry. Deep stuff. I think this might be like a loop. You know what I mean? I see it going right there and it just comes around like this. Unless that goes somewhere, but it doesn't look like it.
What do you think, just our view?
Wow. This is flatland mountain biking, going through the swamps.
There you go.
No mountains, just, you know, do the swamps instead. Whoa, whoa, getting deep. Whoa. Getting a little deep. Holy moly.
Did you get deep fast?
Yeah.
You must have hit a tire.
Kind of drops off right there.